Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.